A lot of emails that you receive these days are actually in HTML format. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around onto this particular mail right here, then this is what you have. So this is in HTML format. If you want to go ahead and view the source code of this email, then you need to go around under more right here and then choose view source. So once you do that, you can see the source code, that is the HTML code of this particular email, just like this. So as long as you go ahead and access it, let's say even in the sent mail right here, you can see that I got some emails. So let's just go around and open out this email right here. You can go around onto more and view source, and you'll be able to see the HTML source code for that particular email as well. So you want to get to know how the email is actually made, then you can see that this is what you have. And you even have option to go ahead and copy it, find text, go to line, and so forth, just like with a text editor, where you can go ahead and then access out the code as you like. And that is how you can view mail source code inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.